In this video, we take a look at how to adjust the node hierarchy tree of the Warehouse Management Monitor in SAP EWM. The Warehouse Management Monitor in SAP Extended Warehouse Management, or SAP EWM for short, is one of the central tools for controlling and monitoring all warehouse processes. The core element of the Warehouse Management Monitor is the node hierarchy tree on the left-hand side of the user interface, which displays all relevant navigation points in a structured way. By default, this tree is based on predefined profiles that contain a wide range of functions and evaluation options. However, in order to work efficiently with the system, SAP provides the possibility to customize this node hierarchy tree individually. This allows navigation within the Warehouse Management Monitor to be tailored precisely to specific requirements and frequently used functions. Open transaction SCWM MON. When opening the transaction for the first time, the warehouse number for the monitor is requested. If this prompt does not appear, the values from the previous session are adopted automatically. These values can be changed in the upper left corner using the Default Values button. After confirming the warehouse number, the standard tree profile is displayed. This profile is usually very comprehensive and contains a large number of nodes. The standard profile itself cannot be modified. By pressing on a node, the corresponding overview can be opened. To demonstrate this, click on the item Storage Bin. In the window that appears, additional selection parameters can be entered. After maintaining the required fields, press Execute to display the output. Now right-click on the node Storage Bin. A context menu appears that shows further configuration options for the node hierarchy tree. The option Set Selection Criteria provides the same functionality as a normal double-click on the node. If a saved selection variant exists for a node, it can be removed using the function Delete Selection Variants. This is useful if variants are outdated or were saved unintentionally. With Create Tailored Measurement Service, custom key figures can be configured for the selected node. These key figures can display totals, quantities, or status values directly within the monitor. This is particularly helpful for quick evaluations and for gaining a rapid overview of important warehouse data. Individual nodes that are not required can be temporarily removed from the view by selecting Hide Node. This improves clarity, especially in large and complex tree structures. The option Create Variant Node for Category Level allows the creation of a user-defined variant for the current node, including saved selection criteria. This variant then appears as an additional entry in the node tree. To do this, first set the desired filter on the node. After defining the selection criteria, choose Create Variant Node for Current Level. In the dialog that follows, assign a name to the variant. After saving, the new variant node appears as a subnode in the tree. The function Create Variant Node for Classified Level extends the previous functionality. It saves the variant not only for the current node, but for all similar nodes within the same classification, for example, all nodes of type Handling Unit or Available Stock. The function Process in Batch spool starts processing the selected node in the background and forwards the result to the SAP spool system, which manages print and log outputs. After execution, the result can be accessed in transaction SP01. The function Process in Batch provides the same functionality as the previous option, but without generating spool output. Processing runs in the background, and the result is displayed or saved later. This allows the user to continue working in the system while the report is being processed. With Set Refresh Interval, an automatic refresh can be defined for the selected node. This is particularly useful for live monitoring of warehouse movements or critical stock levels. After selecting the menu option, an input field appears where the interval can be entered in minutes. For example, entering 5 results in an automatic update every 5 minutes. From that moment on, the node is refreshed cyclically as long as the monitor remains open.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.